Hey there! Today we have an interesting problem to tackle. Imagine you have a data frame called df with columns A, B, and C filled with some values, including OK and other text. The problem we face is how to create a new column D that concatenates all the values that are not OK. Tricky, right? Let's dive into the solution. The solution to our problem involves using a combination of paste and sub. We start by creating vectors A, B, and C with our values, then creating the data frame df. Next, we use paste to concatenate the values of A, B, and C into a new column D. To clean up the OK entries, we use sub to replace them with commas. Finally, a series of sub functions help us tidy up the resulting string, removing any unnecessary commas. And voila, we have our new column D with concatenated non-OK values. Pretty neat, right? In summary, we've successfully tackled the problem of concatenating non-OK values in a data frame using R. By cleverly combining paste and sub, we were able to achieve our desired result with ease. I hope you found the solution helpful and that it makes your data manipulation tasks a bit smoother. Remember to subscribe, like the video, and drop a comment below. Until next time, happy coding!